Hi, I do not have much to say today because I'm having a bad day. Uh, I feel lazy, I feel all these things. Somewhat, or maybe all of it, is because of my own actions, my own choices. I'm not here to complain, but what what I did realize sitting here, watching planes go uh, at the sunset, like literally it's flying towards the sunset. It's so beautiful. uh, so I just realized that we often keep things that remind us of our version that never got fulfilled, or that failed, or that never succeeded, just as a sign that just just to fool ourselves that we haven't failed, that this thing still exists somewhere. I'll give you an example. It's pretty vague right now, you won't understand just yet. See, I'll give you an example. It's like someone went to the gym, okay, for a month or two, and then he or she never had the courage to go back again. And year or two later, they see their gym's photos, or their gym outfit, and the gym's phone number. Yeah, it seems pretty logical to keep those around, but it's just a way for you to say that I used to go to the gym, and if I delete the number of my gym, if I throw away the gym membership slip, or sell those clothes, or just whatever the case that there is, your mind will understand that you failed. Okay, but in a weird way, when you keep these things around, they keep fueling the idea that, oh, you're not a failure yet, right? But yeah, it sounds good that knowing that you're not a failure, but it lacks accountability. And when you lack accountability, you live in a bubble, and you create yourself a bubble where you think, oh, I'm amazing, I went to the gym once, I'm great. So yeah, it's still pretty good, comparing to the generation or just society in general. Some people never go to the gym. You went at least for a month or two, that's still incredible. Okay, literally incredible. But ask yourself, you can always find people there that is that are lower than you or higher than you in achievements, in goals, in success, right? But people compare to others in their own comfortable way, where they are always the good ones, right? Sometimes they want to feel like a victim. They'll compare themselves to the more rich, more handsome, more beautiful, more uh, just people that are above them in any certain area or in general, and feel like a victim. Oh, they have it all, oh, I don't have anything. Okay, and cry about it. And sometimes they want to feel good about themselves, so they will compare to the people lower to them, that, oh, I did that thing, you did not do it, henceforth I am amazing and you are just piece of you know what I mean. I am quite the dramabaz. Yeah, so if you want to have a little takeaway from this video, it's that, you know delete those phone numbers of the old friends, uh, of the people that you want to forget, not forget actually, of the people that you are afraid to face them, and people that you are afraid to forget them. Do the thing you're afraid of. That's basically it, right? yeah, pretty much that. uh, I hope you can hear all these sounds of the plane going by, some traffic, but we can ignore that. There's birds flying. I should just show you. Look at that. And the sunset I was talking about. There's a flying plane flying towards the sunset. It's in the clouds. It's literally going into the sun as we speak. And there's nature, all kinds of stuff. There's sky. Okay. There's this tree, amazing tree.